Hi everyone. We're at 145 3rd Street, Unit 105. This lovely one-bedroom, two-bath condo is situated in a great area. It's at the Cobourg waterfront, close to shopping and restaurants. Come on in. Let's go take a look. As you walk in, you'll view the very functional kitchen. Open to the family room and the dining room. The primary bedroom is bright and spacious. It has a walk-through to the 4-piece ensuite with double closets. There's an additional 3-piece bath and in-suite laundry. A great feature is the walkout to the sitting area with western exposure. Additional great features is the party room, and the underground parking.